tank measuring 42 cm, the length, by 20 cm, the width, by 12 cm, the height, was 1/5 filled with water. Okay, stop. At this point of time, let's find out how much water is inside the tank at in the first place. Okay, always remember, do not just move ahead. Try to find out whatever information you can have first. Okay, now 1/5 of this entire capacity. So what's the first step? Find the full capacity first. 42 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 12. So I'm going to use my calculator for this. Okay, so that I don't waste your time trying to do all the kind of manual calculation. So 42 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 12, that will give me 10,080 cm cubed. Now, they said it was 1/5 filled with water. So I take 1/5 of my total capacity. Okay, so I'm going to use my calculator, and that will be 2016 cm cubed. Okay, so it's 2016 cm cubed. Now I will move on. They said after some water was added into the tank became 3/4 full. Okay, can we find out what exactly is 3/4 full? We have the total capacity, right? Then to find out 3/4 full, we just take 3/4 multiplied by total capacity. 3/4 multiplied by total capacity of 10080, and that will give me what? Okay, let me adjust the sharpness of the image. Oops. Okay, so 3/4 multiplied by this, so it will be 10080 multiplied by 3 divided by 4, that will be 7560. Okay, 7560. It's still a little bit blurred. Don't know whether there's anything wrong with my visualizer. Should be fine for now. Okay, so after some water was added, it became this, which means that after some water was added, it became from here to here. Then I ask how much water was added to the tank. Simple, right? You just take this one minus this one, then it's done. Okay, so we have 7560 minus 2016, and that will give me 2016 5544. 5544 cm cubed. Okay, done. Quite simple, right? Yeah.